Alright, this is like my fourth time making this video, so hopefully you actually fucking use this shit. Um, First thing you want to do, let me just clear out my downloads. First thing you want to do is go to NV clean install download. NV clean install download. And then it's going to be the top link. Open that, click this link here, and then up top you'll see this link here. Click that. Then you can go back to DD or look up DDU download. DDU download. Display driver uninstaller. Download the USA mirror. It's going to download. Once it's done, you can close out, close out. Then you're going to go to your downloads folder. And first thing we'll do is run NV clean install. You're going to check this box here that says install NV clean install on this machine. Hit next. Install it. Once it installs, just close out of it. It'll restart the program when it finishes installing. Once it restarts, just close out of the program completely. Come back to your downloads. Right click, you want to extract it. You probably have right here, extract all. I'll just do it this way. I don't know if you have WinRAR installed or not. So once it extracts, this exe file is going to extract another folder. So double click the exe. Leave this, just hit extract. And then this new folder here will have the program. Double click it. Just hit OK. It's going to open the settings. I use the dark theme. Check the remember last selected GPU. And then uncheck the show offers from our partners. That's just for advertisements. You'll see the advertisements in the background here. I just get rid of the advertisement. Leave the rest the same, except all the way at the bottom. Check this box to prevent downloads of drivers from Windows Update, because we don't want NVIDIA to automatically download the driver when you restart your computer. We want to use NV clean install to do that. So check this box to stop Windows Update from automatically downloading NVIDIA. So once that's checked, hit close, OK, and then just close out of the program. Now you got to boot into safe mode. You right click your start button, go to run, and type in ms config, all one word, hit enter. Go to boot, go to safe boot, check the safe boot option, hit apply, hit OK, and then click restart. That's going to restart your computer in safe mode. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to. Once you're in safe mode, you're going to go back to your downloads and go to the, you can get rid of the zip. We don't need the zip anymore. So now you got the DDU folder. So right here, the only folder you need is this DDU version 18. What I do is I right click, I cut, and I go to my C drive, and I have a folder here I name portable apps. You can just paste it in here. Like I have DDU here, and I have an older version, so I'm going to paste in the new version here. Now when I run it's going to warn me that I'm not in safe mode. You won't have this pop up because you're going to be in safe mode. Once you come in here, you're going to select your GPU and then make sure it's set to NVIDIA, and then clean and restart. Once it wipes the NVIDIA drivers off your computer, it's going to reboot your computer back into normal mode. Once it reboots into normal mode, you're going to go to NV clean install. You might have a desktop icon for it because it installs, because we installed it on your computer. Um, you're going to make sure the bottom check right here is checked to periodically check for driver updates in the background. You're going to install the best driver for my hardware. Hit next. Click recommended. That's going to choose which individual parts of the driver you want installed. So once you get recommended, just go to next. It's going to, basically it's downloading the NVIDIA driver, and then it's going to rip out all the stuff it doesn't need, and then it's going to repackage it up. Once it's done, you'll see this menu. Just check this box, check the next box, check the next box, skip these two boxes, check the MPO box, check the Ansel box, and check the Expert Tweaks box, and check the MSI, the Message Signal Interrupts box. Leave these at default, and then hit next. I'm not going to do it because I already have the NVIDIA driver installed. That's going to install the NVIDIA driver. It's going to disable multiplane overlay for NVIDIA. It's going to disable Ansel. It's going to debloat it. It's going to enable message signal interrupts. You probably don't know what any of that means, but it's fine. Once it's done installing, go to your NVIDIA control panel. And you're going to, if you have a G-Sync display, you're going to go to G-Sync and you're going to disable it. And then hit apply. And then go to adjust image settings with preview. And then just make sure it's set to use the advanced 3D image settings. And apply. And then close out. And then restart your computer. And that's it. Then it's up to you. If you want, I can make another video showing you this program. This is more for like Windows, like debloating Windows instead of debloating the NVIDIA driver. I can go into all this. Basically, you'll see right here, if I open Task Manager, I'm recording in OBS. I have Afterburner open. I have my RGB software open. NVIDIA control panel is running in the background. And I'm only using 87 processes. I think on a fresh install of Windows, you're going to be sitting at like 160 processes or something like that. So what that program does is it helps disable stuff you don't need. Like, I don't use Bluetooth on my computer. So one of the services I disable completely off my computer is Bluetooth. I don't have a printer hooked up to my computer. I don't ever print nothing from my computer. So I disable the printing service. Another thing is, like in Windows search up here, they have it hooked up into like the internet. So if I type something in here and type DDU download, if like on a normal system, you'll see links popping up here to like search the web and shit. I have search indexing off, so it's not gonna run any of that shit in the background. There's that kind of shit I can go into. I can just show you like how to get that. I can show you how to get this. You won't have it by default. You have to, it's like a batch file you got to download, but I can show you which things to check, uncheck, make sure, whatever. I can show you which options here. There's a bunch of stuff right here. I do this basically stops Windows from downloading updates, except for security updates, so that my antivirus and shit can still stay up to date. But a lot of times, like, Microsoft will send out an update with new fucking AI features and shit. I don't want none of that bullshit. Like, I don't have Copilot. I don't have any of the AI bullshit on my computer. I don't have Microsoft Outlook. I don't have OneDrive. I don't have none of that. So if you're interested in that, I can show you how to set up all that stuff too.